Can I feel your stomach?
Yes!
He loves to kick.
Yes, he's kicking on this one. Okay. Okay. Would you guys like some candy?
I love candy.
Okay. Oh, and almonds for you, little boy. I know you love them, little
You
sugar
got
boy.
almonds. I'm gonna get candy. You got almonds.
Oh, what is your name?
I'm Tommy.
You get an apple.
What, an apple?
Today.
It's not even a candy
No,
apple.
no, no.
Ah.
No. Let me tell you something, young boy. An apple a day keeps the doctors away. Okay.
Ah.
Know that.
I can't smash this plate at all, really. Okay. Oh my golly gee. I can't believe we didn't get any candy. That stupid person gave us almonds and apples. Like,
that's
so gay. Never go to that person's house. Sir, I like your costume. Hey. Oh. Hey, is that real?
I will plague your soul.
You're funny. You're silly. Oh, run, and the sea. Wait, we finally got away from that guy. Probably just trying to scare us. He scared me.
Oh, you know that guy back there?
No, who is that guy?
He's the bird watcher. He reaps the souls of the unworthy, and the ungrateful.
Yes, ungrateful.
Like you, kid!
Owen, come back here. That's just so weird. Okay, let's pick up all these pieces. I can't believe that weirdo made me drop this. Okay, come on, let's go home and this way and get another basket. Okay, come on, let's get inside and get a new basket. Wait, dude, are you following us? You need to get back. He bit my arm. We gotta get inside. Okay, we should be safe back here from that guy with the bird mask.
I told you.
Oh my God, you're that hippie hobo guy. Well, how do you get back here? Hey, wait, you were talking about that guy with the bird mask.
The bird watcher?
Yeah, who is he?
He reaps the souls of the ungrateful trick-or-treaters on Halloween.
No, we should have been grateful for that person giving us almonds and apples.
She's pregnant. Her baby dies.
What?
Turn on.
Oh, I'm scared. What if the bird watcher catches us? Okay, we'll just tell jokes to pass the time. Why didn't the chicken cross the road? Because the bird watcher got it. You know, maybe this whole thing was just a prank set up by somebody. Oh my God! Run! Owen, get over here! Owen, come on! Oh my God! Birdman? How do you get over here so fast?
Hi, you guys.
Hey, what's up? The Birdman's behind you. Oh God! No! Oh, gee, silly wee wee! Oh no! Oh, her! Oh, he's eating her face! Oh, he's eating that hillbilly's face! Oh no! Oh God! Oh Jesus! Run, little penguin boy! Oh jeez! He's pulling me away!